Okay, so I just caught a fish.
Like 2 seconds
I caught a fish like 2 seconds ago, and then this is what happens to my rod. It gets stuck up there. I caught a decent sized fish, like a decent sized bluegill, right? I caught a decent size.
No way.
And literally, I didn't even have to take it off the hook. It just plopped down.
Yeah, it flopped out.
I have no idea where it went. It was pretty nice though. So I'll be right back. So we'll be right back.
Yeah, we're about to come up. Got one. No, he didn't. He did it again, guys.
Oh God! I got one. Let's go.
Oh, damn.
Okay.
Alright, he just caught one. Damn, dude, that was awesome. Nice job, CT. Two in a row.
Two.
My rod is on the ground. Oh no, I almost got it. Got one, guys. Guys, I got one.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's the same exact one that I caught the first one.
Dude, this thing is like stuck. Right there, guys. Look at that. Put it on the ground. Hey, cousin, can you get it out?
What?
The fish.
Oh my goodness, I don't even know if I can. Hold on.
That one. We got it. Go, CT, go.
I'm trying. I got it. Come on. Oh! I am. Oh my gosh! Watch out! Woohoo! ET! Let's go!
Show that one to the camera, baby.
Oh my God!
Woo, woo, woo.
That took ages. Oh my God! Look at that baby. That's nice.
That's number 3.
That's
caught by
nice.
Christian.
Number 3.
Number 3, I think I have 2 or 1.
All right, how do we get this thing on
Right,
hook?
Christian, get it off. Christian can get it off. Christian knows how to. Don't step on it. Step on it.
Yeah, John, step on it really quick.
Wait, is this my rod or your rod? This is mine.
No, this is your island too.
We'll do that.
What's the bobber? Hold on. What? You think I got one?
Guys, something's going on. Guys, Christian got one. Guys, Christian got one.
Oh my God.
Ah. Help me, Christian, help me. Help me. Here, go.
Put the line back.
Oh, we got another one, guys.
Woo.
We got another one. Woo!
That one's a little decent sized bluegill.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
No way. Christian, yes. Christian, yes. Move over and just show them.
Yep. Look what I got. I forgot that you recorded. Look at that.
Ooh.
That's the one that I got.
There we go, guys. Yep.
Pretty decent size too.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this one. That one.
Oh, I see it.
There we go, guys. That one. All right. There we go, guys. Look at that one.
Yeah, still.
Don't cut it.
I didn't cut
You
it.
cut the hook off?
Yeah, I pressed that. Yeah, the hook's still in there.
Oh, it is? It's okay. Just kick him in. Kick him in the water. Christian, no! Dude, kick him in. Kick him in. Quick.
Stab them.
Kick him.
Still alive. Oh no! Oh!
Can I hook him off?
I need. Yeah, it did.
Oh, wait, that's not bluegill.
I don't care. That's pretty good though.
Dude, we catch bass with that.
Yeah, we could definitely catch a bass.
Woo!
Look what we found. Ready? Come on, Buttercup. Oh! Yeah! Yay! Why would you do this?
This is Dean Ambrose, AJ Styles, Randy Orton, John Cena, The Miz, and Dolph Ziggler. Yeah.
Raw.
Raw, Kevin Owens, Brock Lesnar, Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins, and Finn Balor. Yeah.
There's the bait.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Ballers.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and subscribe to his channel.
Ballers.
I see your dirty face hide behind your collar.